Hello guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. Let's start with the today's activity. I'm sharing the screen. Good morning everybody. Let's go, the screen is shared. We will start performing our day review in the beginning. Just a second. Yeah, initially we will start with the day review, then we will move to the other activities. Okay. So guys, let's get started everyone. We are already streaming it on YouTube also, so the recording is on. Let's start with our activities for today. So guys, first of all, we will start with the day review, and after that we will move to the day planning, and after that we will be continuing with the job hunting further activities, where we will walk through the Claude list today. Okay, chalo, let's get going guys. First of all, day review. We already know what needs to be done. Please open up your yesterday's planning sheet. Go to the yesterday's planning sheet, 18th of November. Whichever work is completed, please move it into the done section. And once that is done, just scroll to the bottom and answer these questions. How many tasks you planned yesterday? How many you have completed? Count it out. Next, what did you do right yesterday? And then what were some areas of improvement? And how are you planning to overcome the problem today? So everybody, generally within 5 minutes, you should be able to do that if you are doing it consistently. Okay, so please continue doing it. Meanwhile, we will put up a poll. Once it is done, please confirm here. Are you done with the day review? Yes, done. Completed all the questions. Learn from everyday experiences. Okay, we all make mistakes, but we all can learn from it and get better. Every day gives us a chance to improve. So don't live with pain and problems of the past. You can solve those problems, you can overcome it. And today is a new day. It's a new beginning, right? So you can choose to live a better life today. You can choose to overcome all the troubles of your life today, right? Life is all about choices. So it's okay to fall, but let's get up again. It's okay to feel demotivated, but let's push ourselves back again on the track. One day at a time. That's how it happens. Okay, just one day at a time. Chalo, please complete your day review, and after that update the poll here. Then we will move to the next activity. Okay, already 2 members are done on YouTube. Okay, one guy on Google Meet. Chalo team, keep the things handy, log in from your laptops, have all these things available with you so you can do it very quickly. Okay. Chalo others, if you're done, please mark it as completed so we can move further. Okay, one more guy is done with the day review. Simple 5 questions. How many tasks you planned and completed? These are just count questions. Then what did you do right yesterday? Try to find something. Okay, if you're saying I did not do anything right, okay, it means you need to think deeper, because everybody every day will have some good qualities. try to really see that. Okay, you have it, you have to see those things. Next, if you were not able to have a good day yesterday, like what were the problems, what are the areas of improvement, try to write it down. And next, how are you planning to solve your problem today? Very important. Okay, so we have 3 members completed here, 3 members here. Let's move further. Okay, chalo guys, next thing, we will be doing day planning. Now it is going to be easy again. Let's start everybody together. Copy the yesterday's sheet, create a new one, 19th of November, paste it here. Okay, let's do it together, guys. Paste it here. Whatever is there in the done section, delete it. If there is anything in progress, move it into the to do section. If there is anything in progress, move it into the to do section. And after that, okay, let's remind ourselves about some important pointers. Do whatever you can today. Don't do tomorrow's work today, and don't let today's work go to tomorrow. Means justify every single day. Okay. Next, whatever you are going to plan today, you need to finish it. So if don't over plan and under deliver, it's very important. Okay. Fine. Now write down 5 things that you want to finish today. And this from preparation perspective, we already know this week what we are supposed to do, so you can take a look of that. And then job hunting, if you have some other ideas, so you can consider that. New things that you want to do today, yesterday's pending items are there, parked items are there, so take some time out, think from all these perspectives. Weekly preparation, maybe some job hunting related something you want to do, plus new things, yesterday's item, past parked item, you have a lot of things to consider. Okay, so weekly preparation items could be there. Fine. Write down 5 tasks for today. One liner bullet point. One liner bullet point. This time management, productivity, focus, these are all very essential skills. You can complete tasks only when you are good in these skills. Planning is to make you ready, but then you have to execute. And for executing, time management skills, focus, dedication, overcoming distractions, all those things are required, right? So morning, this 1 hour that we spent today, ideas are coming, planning is happening, but for executing throughout the day, you need to be more disciplined. And we need to do it for next 6 months. So definitely you have to work more on yourself. Chalo guys, write down your 5 things. 5 things for today. And these are some pointers for that. Once the 5 things are written, arrange it in a priority. How do you want to execute it from morning till evening? Arrange it in a priority and estimate it, how much time it might take each of the task. Please do these 2 things. Write down 5 tasks, arrange it in a priority, estimate how much time it is going to take. If there are any pending items here, move it into the parked section. Means if there is any yesterday's item which you're not planning to do today, move it into parked section, so that maybe later you can revisit. So please complete all of these activities. And by the time you are completing it, let me share you this tracking sheet for today. 5 minutes, and then day review is done, day planning is done. Okay, that's how things will get easy if you are consistent. Going to gym gets easy if you are consistent. Okay, any habit, if you repeat, it becomes easy. Learning preparation, if you do it consistently, it will become easy. You don't do it, it will always be hard. Anything applies the same way. Okay, so 18 November, task completed. And then we are with 19th November, tasks planned. Once you're done with your day planning, please submit this form as well. Okay, sharing the link, copy link. Here it is. Okay, members on YouTube also, please mark this. First of all, let us try to highlight all the members who submitted yesterday. Okay, these were the guys. We can put them all in a different shade. Let's put them in green. Okay. So these were the guys who have submitted yesterday. 22 members. Please complete today's list also. We are already seeing multiple members being ready for today. Let's sort it. Data, sort sheet, Z2A. Let us update the streak counter as well. So Kx is the formula. Kx is the formula. Okay. So guys, please submit this. So far we can see these many number of members have submitted. Let's sort it based upon the continuous streak. Sort sheet Z2A. Nice. Total we have done 18 days so far. Okay, as per the attendance tracking. And we can see these two guys, Tanveer and Mansoor, they are all 100% consistent without even any one break, right from day one till now. And that's a very great quality. Okay? And we can already see, right, if you're more consistent, working with focus, automatically 87, Tanveer has completed 87 total tasks. Mansoor has completed 99 total tasks. Even though if it goes here and there, but on an average, okay, approximately like 90 tasks, 100 tasks, and that is quite a big deal. So consistency will help you to complete a lot of things in your journey, right? And all these other guys also, Avinash, Sheetal, so they started and then they are just continuously going on. Okay, that's also a very great quality. So make sure you are very regular. So they have not taken any breaks, and likewise we see all the other members also. Okay, so yes, there were a lot of new guys who came in for some days and they were not able to do it consistently. So that's where the challenge with a lot of people will happen. So you need to fix it. Okay, you need to fix that portion. Chalo. Use the same email IDs on daily basis, then the stats happen accordingly. Let's move to the other activities. I will mark it as blank, and this is the sheet for today. Let's put them into same shade. Okay, consistency is the key, guys. Nothing else matters. Chalo, let's go. So here we are moving to the third section. Okay, job hunting related activities. Guys, so can we start with it? Give a quick confirmation, give a quick thumbs up. Can we start with the job hunting activity? Everybody done with the day review, day planning? Chalo. Guys, complete the day review, day planning, and let's start. Okay. Guys on YouTube also. Chalo, let's start with the next activities. Okay. So what are we going to do today is walk through the Claude related ideas. Already yesterday, everyone please put your attention here. We are getting started with job hunting related planning. Yesterday, when we were walking through ChatGPT, we consolidated these ideas. Let us copy these ideas back again into our notepad. Okay. And then one by one, we will apply Claude related analysis and let's see where does it belong. Okay. So first let's look here. Later on, you can apply at your side. So these are the two links. Copy this. Let's go here. Let's put it in the sheet. Okay, let's see. So this guy has put in a lot of instructions. Let's walk through it and understand what needs to be done. Okay, it's a lot of actions. We will try to finish everything this today. So tomorrow we can do some planning on top of this. What is today? Wednesday. Okay, it's a very big list. Let's try to see how much we can really cover at a high level at least. Okay, prompt for Claude. So Claude gave us this much prompt and we pasted it back again, and then this result started coming into picture. First, again, completing job search strategy for Java developer, blah, blah, blah. Prioritize action plan by impact on interview calls. First, highest impact. So this guy has also done the highest impact. So what is the first technique it is saying? Resume and optimization for ATS. Resume optimization for ATS. So that is already covered. Rework on the resume for ATS is covered. LinkedIn profile activation. Fine, we already discussed this. ChatGPT has given this idea also. LinkedIn profile should be made active. So that is also taken care. Naukri profile setup. Okay. So we know that we need to apply on other job seeker platforms like Naukri and other places. That's also covered. GitHub portfolio with 2 to 3 strong projects. Perfect. We know that one major project should be there with a lot of flagship project basically. And then GitHub should have further more projects also. So if you realize high impact, even Claude summarized the similar things, and that is pretty good. All the ideas are already covered. So we don't find anything new there. Next, tier 2, again high impact. Let's see. Again in the high impact category, first like this, it is doing some planning also. Okay, what to do in week 1, what to do in week 2. Planning part we will look at later. Currently we are focusing on ideas. Direct referrals. Okay, so direct referrals. One thing which we can notice here is it is trying to put some impact also. So maybe we will try to write this impact in our column. So impact 9 out of 10. Direct referrals can give us this much of chances for getting interview calls. GitHub portfolio is 8 out of 10. So just write that as well. Guys, everyone, please update at your side these things. So we know that from this also what is the importance curve. Next, Naukri or job platforms is having a high chance. Next, LinkedIn is having a solid chance. Next, resume optimization, and that is 10 on 10. That is good. So resume should be ATS compatible. So that is 10 on 10. Everyone try to put some things around it. Since GitHub projects, it is saying 8 out of 10. So we will say the same for our flagship project also. Okay. Guys, once you have done the scoring, please give a quick thumbs up. Once your scoring is done, please give a quick thumbs up. Give a quick thumbs up, guys, once your scoring is done. Resume optimization, like 10 on 10. LinkedIn profile, 9 on 10. Naukri, 9 on 10. Yesterday we have categorized it. Now we are just giving some number. GitHub project, 8 on 10. Okay. Some guys on YouTube confirmed. Okay. Arun confirms on Google Meet. So rest of the members, please complete it. Ramesh is also ready. Fine. Let's go further. Again, high impact includes direct, like direct referral. So we have already mentioned that direct referral. Next. So registering on other platforms. This, so basically it is trying to differentiate two things. Let's try to check it out here, guys. In other platforms, Naukri is having a solid chance of 9 out of 10, and these others are having less. So accordingly, you can consider. Okay. So that is one thing you can also update at your side. Naukri is having a bigger value and other things are there, but comparatively smaller value. Okay. Next, LinkedIn active engagement. So basically, it's two things. LinkedIn ka profile setup is one. Okay. Profile setup is one, which is high impact. You need to have a good impact profile. And second thing on LinkedIn is, how do you engage with LinkedIn? We posting three times a week about your learning journey. And yeah, that's what it is, right? So trying to be active, commenting, engaging, networking with people. So that is having a 7 on 10. But again, this is a high impact related category. So we should consider two things in LinkedIn. Accordingly, please write it down. So somewhat it is grouping it into levels. So profile setup is mandatory. It is having very high impact. Second is activity on LinkedIn. It is having 7 on 10. But again, it is part of the high impact category itself. So please write it accordingly. So we have to make sure we work on all of these ideas, because any one of the idea can get you results, right? So don't skip it. Guys, are you done? Please give a quick thumbs up. Did you write it? Did you write these two things in your job platforms? Naukri, just write it as high impact. And these other guys are also there, but comparatively less, 7 on 10. And LinkedIn profile, 2 activities, both of them has some impact. Once you're done, please give a quick thumbs up. Write it at your side. Okay, team. Chalo, we need to be really fast. Claude has given a lot of things. We need to scroll through the list. Fast, guys. Be along, be along. Open up your yesterday's activity and then keep updating. Okay, Arun is done. Very good. Guys, rest of the members, please complete it. Ramesh is done. Guys on YouTube, please complete it. Avinash is also done. Fine. Let's move forward. Let's move forward. I think in 10 seconds, message will go to YouTube. Then these guys will also be confirming. Okay. Let's continue further. So this is done. Next. Fine. So if you really see all the platforms, even Claude plus ChatGPT and other things that we discussed earlier, they all are saying the same thing, right? Which is high impact. Whatever these guys mentioned, they're all the same. So in case we want to now get job as quickly as possible, our resumes should be really good. Project should be strong. GitHub related project showcasing should happen. And not just one project. They are saying 2 to 3 projects. So at least target around 3 projects of different domains on your GitHub with nice standards, nice features, nice technical capability. Next, LinkedIn profile should be good. Activity should happen on LinkedIn. Actively working on the referral system. and daily working on the job platforms to apply and then follow up with the people. So these are all high impact ideas. Every platform, every LLM told the same thing. Okay, so that is strong. Let's go to the medium category, what Claude is saying. Okay, let's go. Medium. Mass application strategy means blindly just applying. So, okay, you can still have an impact of that. 6 out of 10, it's a medium impact. So blindly applying is not going to have that great of an impact. You should strategically apply, follow up, network. So that is where you have good chances. But yes, this is also one of the technique. So we can just write it down as well. Guys, write it down. Okay, medium impact. We just have 2-3 areas covered here. Now we can say mass application strategy. Okay, mass application strategy. So it is having certain impact. Recruiter direct reach out. Okay, message 10 recruiters a day on LinkedIn. So it is having some. So these are again ideas which we can put it. Recruiter direct reach out is another idea on LinkedIn or email. LinkedIn or email, so that we can take here. And I think this belongs as part of the high impact category under LinkedIn section. Recruiter direct reach out, because impact is also 7 on 10. We are just trying to put the ideas together. So everyone, please write down this also in parallel. Recruiter direct reach out, 7 on 10 impact. You can do it on whatever ways, but directly reaching out. Next, tech community participation. We already have discussed about this. Even LLMs have suggested networking via communities. And this is what is this idea, tech community participation on multiple platforms, groups, channels, this, that, blah, blah, blah. So you can network via communities. So that's a medium impact related category. We know that. Okay, fine. It has not added any idea into low impact related category. Next, how to do resume and profile optimization. We can, that's the action related part. We can discuss it later. We need to individually think about it. So fine, it mentioned a few things, how to work on the resume part. Critical resume tips. Fine, when we work, how to do the LinkedIn optimization. So if you really see, initial ideas are these only, and which we already have. Now it is going to the second level, how to build resume. Okay, fine, we will figure it out. Next, do's and the don'ts. LinkedIn profile optimization, do's and the don'ts. Individually, one by one, we have to anyways explore on those topics and then start applying it. But that is fine. You can do that individually. Next, job application strategy. Let's understand some planning this guy is doing for us. Let's try to go through it. Okay, tier 1 platform. Spend time, 50% of daily applications you should work for LinkedIn. Filter 0 to 2 years of experience of your role and your city. Apply even if slightly underqualified, means even if you have a bit less skills than what they are expecting, you can still apply for that. Naukri is the primary platform to go. Next, LinkedIn is the second platform to go. So this is a good idea or guidance given here. 50% time spend on Naukri, 30% of the application hunt on LinkedIn, and then remaining platforms you can spend around 10% of the time. Okay, so this is your apply here first. This is one of the strategy. Next, after that, if you want, depending upon your situation, these are some other platforms also. So I think we should just copy this list also, and I will update it into the central document somewhere So I can keep putting this, so it will help you also in quickly copy pasting. Let us put it here, not in troubleshooting. I will create a new document in the JobSeeker mentorship. Here, let's put it, okay, job hunting strategies. Job hunting ideas. Okay. As part of these ideas, instead of just updating it in my local, anyways, you will be doing at your side. Let me just put these things, Control X, into this document itself. Okay. So if you want for quick copy pasting, you can refer to this one. And I will share this link. Anyone with the link has viewer access, so that is good. We can copy this link. I will paste it here, so you can take some quick reference and copy paste, create your own notes. Okay. So this is job hunting strategies, and this is the link. Please take it. Pasting it on YouTube also. If you want, you can take it for reference. Next, let's come back here. As part of these ideas, what are we seeing? We are working on one by one Claude exploration. And now, with regards to the job platforms, this is the approach. After studying a lot of internet research, it is saying spend Naukri, then LinkedIn, and then these two platforms. After that, you can think about these other areas depending upon your situation. Explore on each of it. But yeah, we have some platforms shortlisted for going forward. So we can just write it here somewhere. Job apply platforms. This is the guidance for that. Okay. Next, let us insert this one. Fine. Let's go to the rest of the things what Claude is saying. Any new idea, we will try to capture it. So here we are. Next, further guidance is there. Daily 10 applications you apply, and then remaining days also some applications, 20 applications a day, 30 applications a day. Okay, fine. We will come up with a proper strategy. Next, but try to learn your sustained efforts. Consistency is required, regular work is required. Not like one day you feel like it, next day don't. So learn that part from this. Okay, it is asking so many number of applications consistently. Track all this information in an Excel sheet. This is another guidance. Let's write down these kind of ideas. Okay, some ideas on job hunting. Let's write down some of the ideas. First thing, we understand it: consistent, long-term apply. Second, track in some sheet, tracking the job applications in some sheet. Basically, it can help you in following up with those people. Okay, it can help you in following up with the people. That's fine. Best time to apply. Okay, guys, just notice this. Even LLM was saying most of the recruiters are going to update post on morning 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So even this Claude is saying the same. Okay, morning 8 to 10 if you apply, so you are fresh on those applications. So recruiters will be checking on the new applicants. So that is a good time to apply. Next is in the evening time, they are going to have a second check. So these two are the good times to apply rather than just being busy during the day. It's a good technique, right? It's a good tip. Avoid on weekends because applications will just pile up. So this is a smart strategy. We can further check on LLMs and do more research before finalizing whether this is the right thing to do. But at least some good tips are coming. Let's try to write it down as well. Okay. Best time to apply. And then there are suggestions here. These three tips. Okay. Ideas are there. It's all there. Point is about applying it, implementing it. Okay. Next, follow-up strategy. So email follow-up. Okay. Next, wait 5 to 7 days after application. Follow up once only. If no response, move on. This is what this guy is suggesting. Okay. At least I don't think one should be enough. We should do more than one time follow-up. Okay, because of n number of reasons. Market is very crowded. I think minimum 3 times follow-up should definitely be there. And you have to define the frequency. But don't just do it one time and ignore. Okay, I would suggest you to spend some more time, at least 3 times follow-up. We can do for build a system around it. But the next step technique is follow-up. Okay, so we need to do follow-ups here, which basically means some guidance. Wait for 5 to 7 days after you apply. Whether this is the right one, not right one, we will further update. I would still suggest, okay, 3 times follow-up. Next, whether we should wait after application, my strategy will be apply and same day, okay, drop email saying that you applied. And after that, you wait for 5 to 7 days saying what is the update. And if not true, like 3 times, minimum 2 times follow-up should be there. There is this possibility why Claude might be saying this. A lot of maybe jobs which are being posted, they might not be looking on that actively. Okay, because if they find it already, since thousands of people will apply, if they already find the top 10 people and arrange the interview, they will not spend time on the remaining 9,990 people because they have already scheduled interviews also. So maybe from that perspective, even if you follow up multiple times, maybe you're not going to get a response. So Claude might be suggesting like that. If follow up once and then move on, because they might not really be checking your profiles also. Okay, so just a time saving strategy. But at least I would suggest 2 to 3 times to definitely we should do, because since you are putting some efforts on this company, tracking them, basically do some follow-ups with them. Results can be better with that. Okay, so that is what, but follow-up strategy, some guidance is coming. Next, referral strategy. Highest returns will come with a referral strategy. Let's see what is the guidance for that. Map your network. List everyone you know in your like, let's say, college seniors, friends, ex-colleagues, cousins. Check their companies on LinkedIn. Okay, and then start tracking it. Guys, dekho, referral ka, this guy has given a different approach here. Map your network. List everyone you know in the tech related industry, whether it is from your colleges, your friends, your ex people you might be working, or any cousins that you might be having. Whoever you know who is working in the industry, come up with a list of that. Check their companies on LinkedIn and then start maintaining some information. So basically, one good referral strategy is look for your family, friends, and your close network, and from there try to look for some referral opportunities. Okay, that's a pretty good way of looking at that. I think we can put down this strategy in our referral section also. We are mentioning some referral system. Let's put some strategy here. Okay, So list everyone and then try to look for referral. It's a good technique. Okay. And explore referral options from them. We have to anyways look at one by one all the areas and come up with more ideas on how to optimize LinkedIn, how to do that. But at least since we are reading it, ideas are coming. So let's save our time to track it. Next, there should be some template for referral. And for weak connections, let's say if somebody is not very highly tightly close to you, some people might be very close friends to you, so different kind of messaging you can apply for that. Somebody is not very deeply close bonded with you, so a different strategy for that. Okay. And then there is some guidance. Ask 5 people referrals a day. Success rate, you can imagine 1 out of 5 might do it, or even if it is less, expect. Okay. But something can happen. Referred application. Now look at this point. Referred applications, 50 to 60% interview rates versus 2 to 3% cold application. Means if somebody working in the company is referring you, the chances of interview being scheduled is 50 to 60%, versus if you're just applying it, following up, chances are only 2 to 3%. So this is a very big statement. That is where you should definitely try to explore referral opportunity, because chances are pretty high, and that is where it is saying highest ROI. Whatever time you put, maximum chances of getting interviews with this. So I think we should write down this point as well. Okay. So now we are basically mapping which ideas will give us maximum returns, and then we can start investing more time on the right ideas and be consistent with that. Results can be good then. Fine. Let's move forward. Okay. Finding referral contacts, some strategies for that. Company research before applying. Next, red flags to avoid. Fine. So some further analysis basically. Okay. Portfolios and GitHub strategy. So how to build a GitHub portfolio. So some ideas with regards to that is coming up. We can just move on to the next one. So individually, one by one pointers, we can anyways go forward. Okay. How to join the communities. So community strategies are also available here. We can just put some names here for reaching out on communities. We have some ideas coming. We can go to Discord server. Okay. Next, Slack related workspaces. Next, Reddit. Next, these are the multiple job platforms where you can find communities, join them, engage with them. Weekly participation goal, answer 2 to 3 questions per week in whichever platforms. If something work is going on, you can try to engage with there. So some tips for this is also available. Okay. Share your project where relevant. Don't spam with looking for a job kind of messages in the group. So try to be really thoughtful and engage properly, so people will like to help you also. Build reputation first, then opportunities will come. Share the values, then. So okay, so it's a good strategy. Like while engaging with communities, your basic concept should be share value first. Okay, showcase your strength, showcase your skills. Try to help first. Help first. Then automatically opportunity you can ask. Automatically opportunities will come. Okay. Guys, take a minute to just absorb this one. I'm just putting a video off for a few minutes. Okay, guys. So when you are engaging with community, your approach should be first give, then ask. Basically, this is a strategy. Give, give, give and ask. Means when you have created enough value, then you can go ahead asking for opportunities, referrals and other things. Without this initial things, others will not realize how good you are, what your skill sets are, how strong